I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me.
The man, the myth, the legend, the Paver King. Look at this sunset. Dude, we're at Ronald McDonald's house. Look. Just kidding. Beautiful. Alright guys, so right now we're setting up all the screed poles and stuff to set this patio up. So I bought this tool online from Pave Tool. It's for screeding. It's that big yellow thing. It looks like a rake out there. So what you do is you put all the material inside the screed rails and then you put that on top of the screed rails. You drag it across. Like, dude, this thing is top notch. If you're doing patios or retaining walls and you're setting up screed rails and stuff, like, you'll always get it perfect with this thing. It literally is way better than getting on your hands and knees trying to do it with a level, make a mess. Like, that thing has extensions. It also comes with like multiple blades, so like you can do like a 3-foot one, like a 4-foot one, and then like I think like a 2-footer. But yeah, I would highly suggest if you do a lot of patios or anything like that, or you got screed, like, look how perfect that is. That stuff's great. Also, these pavers are heavy as dog crap, and using that electric airlift, game changer. Way better. You can even hook it up with the excavator we were doing it. Works great. Tools make the game so much more enjoyable. Go out, Mr. Miyagi. Why don't you smile once in a while?
Sing on like Paver.
He's like
Paver King. Paver fucking King. That's what my hands done.
Alright guys, so this is us wrapping up the job. I lost a bunch of footage. This thing turned out absolutely beautiful. What a cool project, cool house. That pool's going to be amazing. That was a big patio. We knocked that out.